Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity FX. So if you want to use Fidelity for foreign exchange, right? Let me mention one thing though before we begin, because Fidelity doesn't actually offer direct Forex trading like Euro or USD pairs. What we can do is you can get foreign currency exposure by buying international stocks. So you come here, you trade, and you choose stocks or ETFs, whatever you want to buy, say even mutual funds, for example. You enter your symbol, the ticker, right? You choose that, and you choose the action to buy, enter your dollar amount, and preview the order, right? So here you place it, right? So that's how you do it. So you can buy international stocks and different currencies. You place your order. Once it's received, you can go view your position and check it out here. Right now it's spending, but after that you'll see it here under your positions, and you'll see it in your net worth as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.